Okay, so today we're going to try to make a skid plate for the transmission for the D2. I've got a piece of aluminum here. It's about 8 millimeters thick. Um, let's get started. All right, we got the makeshift. We're going to try to bend this thing to get it on that upper side rail. All right, so I think this is the setup I'm going to go with. I was unable to really bend this, but going on top of the front cross brace, I'm going to be able to drill holes in that and bolt it down down here. Then I'm actually just not even going to cut it. Give me a little protection for the muffler, the silencer. Anyway, I'm going to drill some holes now. All right, so here's the finished product. Bolted it up there, the front cross member here. I just let it, I think it's going to protect a little bit of the muffler. I think it's fine, no reason to cut it. Big tip is if you've got a bunch of old drills, just go ahead and buy yourself a new set. That was I had a bunch of old drills, and drilling through the cross members wasn't very fun. Those are M10 bolts. I was going to use M12s, but I think the M10s are big enough.